Ma'am Joy, would like to ask lang po kung bakit Toyota Zenix this time yung kinuha natin para sa company or Philippine Tonan Corporation.
Well, Toyota Scenic is actually matagal na tong i-scout ng boss. So, maybe last year.
Last year ba?
So, ngayon lang siya nagkaroon ng pagkakataon
Na materialize.
Pero, Toyota talaga yung Toyota brand talaga yung prefer.
Prefer na
Japanese.
Japanese. That's
Quality
why.
talaga.
Ma'am, of all dealership, alam naman natin na yung mga before yung units nakuha sa ibang dealers. So, may I know bakit Toyota silang kung bakit dito tayo nag-pursue on of all na sabi mo sa akin kanina marami kang tinawagan.
Well, actually, at first, Toyota silang is syempre bago sa amin.
Okay.
Yung previous namin is iba. Sa paghahanap, sa pag-i-inquire ko sa Toyota Scenic, meron akong ibang tawagan. Si Toyota silang lang yung mabilis mag-respond. At so far, from inquiry up to this time, delivery, payment, and quotation, napaka-responsive. At superb yung yung service and accommodation.
Ma'am, last na. Tungkol naman sa akin. How's my service?
So sa'yo, Miss Anne, actually nung sinabi ko dito kay Ma'am Miss interview niya. So sa'yo is very satisfactory, recommendable yung service mo kasi as I had mentioned, from the start, from inquiry to sending quotation to sending PO preparation and payment and up to delivery of the unit, very fast yung service and quality.
Wow. Thank you so much, Ma'am Joy. Kami din, Ma'am Joy, gusto lang namin paalam sa'yo na yung cooperation mo during the transaction, though this is for company use, is very responsive din and approachable. Thank you so much for choosing Toyota Silang. And makasabi na lang kay Philippine Tonan, congratulations and thank you for being part of Toyota Silang family. Congratulations
You're
po.
welcome, and we are looking forward for much more better and very good service from Toyota.
Wow.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ma'am
Toyota Silang.
Joy. God bless po.
You taste like wild plum, tangy sweet and wild as plum. Running down my thumb, don't clean it, let it numb. If this is all we ever become, I'm okay with just this plum. Dust on your sneakers.